gotten someone else an internship with Nat Geo, like, I don't know, 10 years before me or something like that. And so I was in his class, and for like literally any project that we were assigned, outdoor ed is like pretty you do what you make of it kind of a major. So every project it'd be like, okay, teach this thing. And I was like, I'm gonna teach this thing by making a video. And so he noticed that I really like making videos. He was like, you should like maybe work for Nat Geo or something. So he reached out to his old contacts and managed to get me a little internship. It was an informal internship because Nat Geo has actual internships, but I was just like kind of there. So,
did you feel like you learned a lot over the course of that internship?
Yeah, I did. So my internship was like part in the field, part in the office. So I was like doing paperwork, but also like I worked. So my first show was called Trackers. And it was search and recovery dogs finding lost pets. So it was very wholesome. So half the time I'd be like out in the field, like picking up after dogs and, you know, moving cages around and stuff like that. And then the other half I'd be in the office in my little button up, like doing paperwork. So,
Nice.
But yeah, one thing leads to the next.
It does.
If you ask enough people the right questions, they'll eventually be like, okay, I guess you really care about this, and I'll connect you with more people.
Like, I guess you're going to have the job.
Right. It's like, yeah, you really just got to like network and talk to people, and like eventually I, you know, got here, so we'll see what I do, you know, where else I go. Who knows?
There's a lot of badgering involved here. There's Dan badgering Michael and Josh. There's you badgering people here. I did a little bit of badgering Nicole, I guess. Like, I really liked that. Can I come back again? So yeah, when you like something, let it be known, and don't be afraid to keep reaching out to the people who could get you there. Same with grad school, you know, trying to find an advisor. Sometimes they don't get back to you right away, and you have to email them a couple times.
Exactly.
And I guess for us it was no exploration to get funded to do this science.
Yeah, right. There you go. Hey, Noah, fund us, please. This is cool work.
Good. I mean, that seems like a good reason to start badgering people.
Right.
Yeah, so you put all the most annoying people in a room and you get this team.
Yeah, in those 2 years where I was not working for Nautilus, but very much wanted
That's
to.
a nice delta there. We can hold that while we're going up the hill.
Yeah. Are you going up too?
Yeah, I'm getting ready to. I'm just going to center Herc up a bit.
So I found one of the video engineers on Facebook, and I sent her a message. I was just like, hey, how do you do what you do? Can I do it? And talking to her was really helpful too, because I got a better idea of like what I should work on in the meantime to be well equipped for this job. So definitely reach out to people and just ask all the questions.
Was it Erin Rainey?
Yes, it was.
Erin is the best.
Yes, I still haven't met her in person, but we know each other and it's great. It's like,
Erin is one of those people who's really great about helping you out and putting you in touch with the right people.
Absolutely. Lift as you climb.
Yes, definitely.
Yes. Yeah, I feel like the Nautilus really has a good culture of like pay it forward and kind of help other people as you get to where you want to go. Even if you're not there yet, like you can still help someone else who's starting and connect them with the right people.
Yeah, I've worked on a lot of vessels, and this one is, Nautilus is by far the most pleasant vessel to work on, the most fun, the most exciting, the best people.
Absolutely agree. That's why I came back.
Yeah.
Yeah. You also have to be willing to like just be open to do things. That's how I think that's how I got. I was like, yeah, I'll do. Yeah, sure, no problem. I'll do it.
Right.
I don't care. You want me to hold water? I'll hold water.
Yeah, sometimes you just gotta let go of that ego and like have an ounce of like fearlessness in you, and then you can really go to really cool places and try new things.
Yeah, and you're not going to be an expert at it at first. It's going to take a long time.
Yeah, like 2 months.
For basic proficiency.
I mean, that's how long to become a professional water holder.
All right, so we're back over some carbonate rubble.
Exactly, getting back into climbing up the rim again of the crater.
Oh, whoa, look at this thing on the right.
Oh, there's
a giant skate.
It's a skate.
Is that a skate?
Yeah. Yeah.
What does that mean?
Maybe it's a rough tail skate.
No, I bet it's a men's hockey skate.
I missed it.
How cool
I
is
see
that?
Zoom in a little if you want, Nova.
Coming in.
Oh, I see. I thought that was like Matt. I was like,
what are we looking at?
that was like that weird landing
Look at it.
strip that we saw yesterday.
Oh yeah, the piece of wood.
This is way cooler.
Do you have an idea on that? I think it might be a rough tail skate, but I will try and find out.
Can you just ask if he has ID?
Perfect.
Yeah, it looks like a rough tail skate.
Oh, wow. So cool.
Yeah,
And
Do you see
big.
the tail?
Just
The
a
tail
bit
is rough.
That's really big.
And pretty big. Yeah, look, if
Yeah.
you look into Argus, you can see how...
60 centimeters, so like the body. Maybe more, 70.
You're out of the box. Just letting you know.
Roger. Okay, moving on.
Gotta move, yeah, looks like.
See you later. Bye, bud. Oh, yeah. I can do it if you want, Megan.
This is approximately where minor bubbling is marked.
Roger.
She's telling Dan, we're not there yet.
The ship's going to be in position in 10 meters.
Roger.
Oh, look at the little hermit crab.
Yeah.
Well, he's on the move.
Tumbling. So I know the bubbles weren't as big as they looked like they were maybe going to be from the water column data, but which waypoint was that at? Was that?
Waypoint 1.
Waypoint 1.
Yes,
Okay, I was
yeah.
that.
Or just next to it. So also the multi-beam bubbles that we found, they were 2 nights ago.
Right.
So that was for the dive where we were weathered out.
Wild,
so
though, that it would
dive,
change.
on that day, exactly. Now when we came back, so the survey we did last night,
Yeah.
we didn't actually detect
Down.
them.
Tilt down
So
if
it's
you
just
want,
this
Michael.
on and off situation
Turn your
of these
camera down.
bubble streams. And then this morning, during the dive,
Stay under here for a while here.
yeah, they found
I'll
the
move the box.
minor bubbling, but not
Move
as
the box.
strong.
This is a lot of those shells.
Yeah.
This is straight down.
Okay, the ship is
Are we?
stopped.
If the ship is stopped, would it be possible for us to just? We're just going to collect some of these shells from right here.
Yeah.
I think they're the Acarax.
Exactly, the dark ones again that
Yeah.
we have seen all over actually a little
Really,
bit.
yeah, and I guess there's some tube worm next to it too. So these are the Acarax shells that Amanda was talking about yesterday, where you can actually find some stuff about the environment out from the shells themselves, even if the living organism isn't inside anymore.
So it's a carbonate shell that you can look up.
Yeah.
I think I've stopped moving.
I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell what kind they are, but
Do these type of organisms remain in the same location for their entire lifespan?
they're sessile benthic organisms. So yeah,
What does that mean?
It means that they live on the ground and stay there and can't move.
They're like rooted like a tree, it's sessile.
That might actually be like in a mess of tube worms. So I don't know if we're going to be able to get just the
trees of the
clams. Maybe from the periphery we can scoop some shells.
Hey, is that the crab from earlier?
What's that?
I said, is that the crab from earlier?
Like on the right side, maybe? Yeah, like over there.
So
it's like
we were thinking, more on this side might be possible, easier to pick them up.
Do we have a scoop on currently?
We do. Mach 3.
Yeah, I think that they'd be too big to slurp probably. So if we could just scoop some, I don't know if you're going to be able to get it all the way over to the starboard side, but if we could scoop some of the shells and stick them into one of the small
Move the ship 20 meters north.
starboard bio boxes, that'd be great.
Bridge nav.
Am I still swinging? I think I am.
Can you please step the ship 20 at 000? Thank you. Oh, wait.
You want to turn on the porch light for me?
Porch light or down light?
Let's try down. Turn them both on. Show me the manip and bubble there. Okay, and you can show me the scoop. Nova, you want to zoom in a bit there for us?
Sure thing.
There you go.
Yeah, that looks like the ridged shells.
God, this guy's going to supervise us. Collection.
Looks like he's got some, like a weird helmet.
That's a supervising helmet.
Oh, that what that is? Okay, yeah.
Safety
So
first.
weird, it almost looks like
first.
the black bit is flapping around. I don't know if that's the periostracum, the outside layer that is starting to come loose, but we can...
I don't know what that is.
But it's on all of them,
yes.
and it was down at the bottom too, so it's not trash. Yeah, so if we could scoop, we're trying to like avoid getting tube worms, but some of the clam shells from over there.
I'm not sure if he's looking at the screen when you guys are making those marks.
I can do it again.
We'll do it again. Dan, look at the telestrator. Bumping over on the right side there.
Yep.
I'm just on listening, right?
I can hear you, Shannon, if you're talking to us.
Oh, I like the purple handle. It's nice.
Oh, did you move them back?
I moved them back and tie wrapped them in place. Tilt up on bubble. Up more. Okay. Back down. Okay, now you can telescope.
Okay, yeah, like right by where the scoop is, anything right under that scoop, yeah. We're just trying to get a couple of those shells. You may get caught up in some tube worms, which we're not trying to sample.
Did you move the ship?
Yeah, I moved the ship. Do you want me to make another step?
It's just taking a while for me to move.
All right, yeah.
I spun around since we're moving north.
Roger.
So.
No, you're fine. Can you zoom out just a second for me? That's good. Good, good. Okay, you can zoom back in.
Coming in.
Looks like we maybe got one, yeah.
Weak.
So Amanda actually got back to us and commented a little on if these can move. And it seems that actually the Physicomyid clams that we got some of the other day, that those can move a little bit. They've been seen with like small trails, so they might slowly be able to move to more hospitable environments. And that the acrax we're not sure about, but they may be able to move like vertically within the sediment.
Still only one in there.
Yeah, I wonder what the other rebel is. Can't really see.
Looks more like a shell, a white shell from another clam. Yeah.
I'll try and get some of these ones right on the surface there.
And it's hard with the two berms right below.
Third one doesn't want to go in there.
Yeah, it's okay.
I think that's two now. I can't tell.
Oh, there you go. Yeah. I think that's, you had one earlier, so that's I think that's two.
Zoom in there, Nova.
Coming in.
That's good.
Yeah, there's the one on top, and then I think there was one on the bottom. Yeah.
There was one more there. I can try and get him in too.
Maybe one last shot, and then we'll call it a day.
Okay. You want to zoom out a bit for us now?
Sure.
There's like one off to the right, maybe.
There's that one that's
oh yeah,
on
that
the
one.
top there.
Yeah. Yeah, you did get close.
I got him on top now where we want him to. Maybe.
It's making a getaway.
Ah.
Pick it up and put it in the scoop, and then pick up the scoop again.
It's like trying to eat with your non-dominant hand. No control.
Nice. Now, can he get it to the starboard side?
That's the hard part.
Yeah.
We can't put it in the front?
I think that they're planning to put the gas tights there on the way up.
Those little ones can probably stay in the basket. It's up to you. I can try and get in the starboard, see what happens.
If you can do starboard, I would prefer that.
Roger. Okay, Mike, you want to open the starboard box?
We need to secure the
yeah, Raj.
port thruster.
Yeah, you know, remember how to do that? Before you open it? It's under...
it's under hotel, hydraulics.
Isolation, relay.
There we go. So you want port.
Starboard top right one. Starboard vertical. That guy.
You want to adjust accordingly, or is that good?
We'll see how we stay here. We should stay pinned with one.
Okay.
Just open it to only the big sample boxes.
I think one of them is full.
They're both full.
Yeah, let me get around there a little closer before we open it. See if I can even get there.
Yeah.
They're both full?
They both have things in it, but we could probably put them in with the tube worms. We're not going to, well, there might be some tube worm bits in this too.
Did you put the new boxes in?
Go full wide there, Nova, please. Thank you.
Full wide.
Yeah, if we could get it into any of the small ones, that would be good. It doesn't matter which one.
Yeah, I can try it. Okay, here we go. Can you watch the end effector with the bubble on the way around this time?
Oh, to see if we drop anything?
Just to make sure I don't swing into the hill or anything. Swing right a little more with that camera. Perfect. Yeah, hold that. I won't be able to do that. Okay, open the box.
Okay. Never
mind. Don't hit the arm if I'm not sure where it is in relation. That's good. A little more. Okay. That's all the way, is it?
Yeah. The thruster right here is also pushing a lot. Do you want me to secure that?
What's that?
This
It's a bit of a smoking gun. It's kind of hard to see. So if it could go into one of the small ones, that'd be great.
It cannot.
It cannot. Okay.
I'd have to, yeah, I got a funky grip.
You have to
Gotta
sit
go
it
in
down.
F. Are you all right with that?
With which one?
In F?
In F, in the back one.
Yeah.
I think you might have picked up, yeah, we should be able to tell the difference. Like you might have picked up a tube worm bit and there are tube worms in there, but I think the other ones are all full tube worms and this would only just be a little bit. So sure, it can go in F.
Let's see, how can I?
Can you set it down and pick it back up?
And all spill out. There's no way I can make that motion. Yeah, the way I've got it at a 90, I can't bring the yaw on the pitch over.
Oh, and setting it on the sea floor is not, you can't still plume out or something?
Possible. What do you think, Leila? You want to try and, so either I bring it back around and get a different grab on it, or I dump it in F.
You can dump it in F.
Okay, here we go.
What sample number is this, Leila?
035.
Thank you.
It's probably E and F.
Okay.
That still spells F.
Okay.
All right, only small carbonates if we get any from here on out, because there's no more room for them in the big ones.
After the gas sets are used, you have a whole basket.
Right, that's true. Waiting for the dust to clear?
Yeah, I can't see it.
So much. Like where is that all coming from?
I don't think it's gonna happen because it's being blown in from the side through.
Yeah. Yeah, looks
See if I can
maybe
help.
not all
help
empty.
out here with the thrusters.
Oh, that might be the magnet just on the bottom.
It's got to be in there by now.
Yeah, it's got to be. I don't know what the white bit is. Is that on the bottom of the scoop?
The sticker.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that looks good.
That was a bad grab there. Okay.
All right.
Close that box.
Thank you. Take it away tomorrow.
Yeah, off to the minor bubbles.
Right.
The ship is approximately, well, Argus is approximately 51 meters from the minor bubbles. Do you want me to take a step towards it?
Sure. You want to turn our thruster back on?
Yeah.
And show me the front porch there with bubble.
Is that good? That's the only way I'm going to be able to get that magnet. Unless I put the porch out.
What's that?
That's the only way I can see the magnet. Unless I push the porch out for you.
How did I get that grab? grab it like that again.